In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record and add audio to Google Slides. By the end, you'll have a clean narration recorded, properly saved, uploaded to your drive, and embedded right where you want it in your presentation. First, let's record your audio. You can use a built-in app like Windows Voice Recorder on a PC or Voice Memos on a Mac, or head to an online option like Voiceover in your browser. Find a quiet spot, keep the microphone a few inches from your mouth, and do a quick test take to check volume and clarity. If your app shows input levels, aim for a strong signal that doesn't peak into the red. Speak at a steady pace and pause briefly between key points so your narration is easy to follow. Once you're happy with your take, make sure to save the file in the right format. Choose MP3 or WAV. MP3 gives you a smaller file that's great for sharing, while WAV is uncompressed and larger but still fully supported. In your recorder, use Save, Save As, or Export and confirm the file extension is .mp3 or .wwav. Give the file a clear name so you can find it later in Google Drive. Next, upload the audio to Google Drive. Open Drive in your browser, then either drag and drop the file into the window or click New, then File Upload and select your saved recording. If other people will view or present these slides, adjust the sharing so they can access the audio. Right-click the file in Drive, choose Share, and set it to anyone with the link, typically as viewer. If your audio lives in a shared folder, you can apply that same setting to the folder to cover any files inside. Skipping this step can cause permission prompts for your audience, so it's worth confirming. Now, insert the audio in Google Slides. Open your presentation and go to the slide where you want the narration to play. In the top menu, click Insert, then select Audio. A panel will appear showing your Drive files. Pick the recorded file you just uploaded and click Insert. You'll see a speaker icon appear on the slide. You can move it to a corner or keep it visible where it makes sense. Click it to preview and confirm everything sounds good. That's it. You recorded your narration, saved it correctly, uploaded it to Drive with share settings that work for viewers, and embedded it into your slide. You're ready to present with clear professional audio.